Check out this huge clump of pampas grass. It's an incredibly invasive species, self-spreading, and can quickly take over your garden. I can't wait to grow some. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to propagate new plants. Look at your stalks, either from those that have fallen over or at the upper sections of the stalks, for nodes that are sprouting, and those that maybe have roots. You can see what I'm talking about in these pictures and videos. These roots are too old and dry, but give you a good idea of what you should be looking for. Make stem cuttings from these pieces. These can both be used to grow new plants. Be sure and wear gloves and other protective gear when handling this plant, as the sharp leaves are quite dangerous. I am starting with the stalk with all the roots. I have cut off all the extraneous leaves, leaving just the new shoots. I am placing it in a container with regular potting soil. Here are the two small shoots growing from nodes. I am placing them in a separate container. It's 4 weeks later, and our pampas grass are doing great. These on the left are the two that just had the small stems. They didn't have any roots. The two small stems that were growing from the nodes, they're doing great. And on the right here, this is the one that had the stems and the roots coming out of it. And as you can see, it's doing fabulous too. This is really an easy and a great way to propagate your pampas grass. Be sure and support my channel by ticking that like button, leaving a comment, and of course, subscribing. Click on the playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!